Stop scrolling for a second, because what I'm about to tell you is not polite advice, not dating tips, and definitely not something most men are comfortable hearing. These are compliments you were never taught to use, not because they're rude, but because they're powerful. So powerful that when used correctly, they bypass logic, skip surface attraction, and hit something much deeper. The kind of compliments that don't just make a woman smile. They make her feel something she can't easily explain. And once that feeling lands, it lingers. And the reason these compliments work has nothing to do with looks. Before we go any further, subscribe to this channel right now. This channel is for men who want to understand psychology, attraction, and emotional dynamics on a deeper level, not surface-level tricks. If you stay until the end, the third compliment will completely change how women respond to you. Now let's begin. Because what women respond to isn't what most men think. Most men believe attraction starts with appearance. Compliment her eyes, her smile, her body. And while those things aren't wrong, they're predictable. She's heard them before, dozens of times, maybe hundreds. Compliments like that land on the surface and fade quickly. They don't stick. They don't separate you from the crowd. What actually creates desire is recognition. When a woman feels seen in a way that most people never bother to look. And that's where forbidden compliments come in. A forbidden compliment isn't inappropriate. It's unexpected. It speaks to a part of her identity that isn't usually acknowledged. It makes her pause, not because it's shocking, but because it's accurate. And accuracy is intoxicating. Let me tell you a story. Because stories reveal what theory can't. A man once told me about a woman he met at a quiet cafe. She was attractive, yes, but not in a loud way. Calm, observant. Most men tried to impress her. Compliments about her beauty slid right past her. She thanked them politely and emotionally checked out. Then one man said something different. He looked at her and said, "You're not loud about it, but you have a very strong presence. People probably open up to you more than they expect." She went silent. Not awkward silent, focused silent. That moment changed everything because he complimented something she recognized as true. You're emotionally dangerous, in a good way. This compliment works because it reframes power. Most people compliment women by putting them on a pedestal, beauty, sweetness, kindness. This one does the opposite. It acknowledges impact. It suggests she has depth, influence, and emotional weight. When you say this, you're not calling her manipulative. You're saying she's aware, present, that she has an effect on people. Women rarely hear this. But when they do, it activates curiosity, because every woman wonders how she truly affects others. This compliment triggers something subtle. It tells her, "I see that you're not just nice, you're intentional." It suggests she has layers, that she's not easily read. And most importantly, it implies confidence in you. You're not intimidated by her depth. You're intrigued by it. And intrigue is far more attractive than approval. But here's the key. This compliment only works if it's grounded in observation. You can't throw it out randomly. You must notice how she speaks, how she listens, how people respond to her. When delivered calmly, without exaggeration, it plants a thought that stays with her long after the conversation ends. Because the most powerful compliments echo later. You're more self-aware than you let on. This compliment hits a completely different nerve. Self-awareness is rare, and most people who have it don't broadcast it. When you acknowledge it in a woman, you're validating her inner work. something almost no one comments on. This compliment tells her you're paying attention not just to what she says, but how she processes life. And that makes you feel safe and different. When a woman hears this, her guard softens, because you're not trying to impress her. You're understanding her. You're saying, I see that you think deeply. I see that you reflect. That creates emotional intimacy faster than any flirtatious line ever could, because intimacy begins with being understood. Here's why this compliment is forbidden. Most men are too busy proving themselves to notice self-awareness in others. When you acknowledge it, you instantly position yourself as someone operating on the same level. Not above her, not below her, beside her. And equality creates desire without pressure. But again, delivery matters. Say it casually, almost thoughtfully, not as a line, more like a realization. When it lands, she'll likely respond with curiosity, maybe even vulnerability. That's your signal, because attraction often begins right after silence. You don't need attention, but you command it. This is the most powerful one of all. This compliment separates women who seek validation from women who embody presence. When you say this, you're acknowledging something many women secretly pride themselves on, but rarely hear confirmed. You're telling her she doesn't perform for approval. She simply exists, and people notice. And that recognition is deeply validating. This compliment works because it affirms dignity. It tells her you respect her composure, her restraint, her self-worth. Women who receive this compliment often feel seen at their core, not as an object, not as a role, but as a person with gravity, and gravity pulls people in naturally. What makes this compliment forbidden is that it implies you're not chasing her, you're observing her. That subtle power shift changes the entire dynamic. She begins to wonder what you see, why you notice things others miss. And that curiosity grows, because mystery is the gateway to desire. Now here's the truth most men miss. These compliments don't work because of the words themselves. They work because of who you are when you say them. Calm, grounded, unrushed, not seeking approval. If your energy is needy, even the best compliment will fall flat, because women respond to state, not strategy. The men who master this don't chase reactions. They allow reactions. They're comfortable with silence, comfortable with not being liked instantly. And that comfort is contagious. Confidence doesn't speak, it resonates. So if you want women to feel drawn to you, stop trying to impress them. Start recognizing them deeply, honestly, without expectation. Because when a woman feels truly seen, something in her relaxes. And when that happens, attraction follows, naturally, effortlessly, powerfully. The most seductive thing you can do is understand someone without trying to control how they respond. These forbidden compliments don't beg for attraction, they invite it. If this video changed the way you think, subscribe to this channel right now. We don't teach gimmicks here. We teach psychology, presence, and emotional intelligence that actually works. Leave a comment below. Which of these compliments surprised you the most? And remember, the right words don't chase desire, they awaken it.